Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Gitea and Forgejo. In order to do so, here we are at gitea.com and we're also at forgejo.org. And to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, Gitea and Forgejo are both self-hosted Git service platforms, but they cater to slightly different user needs and preferences. Here's a comparison of the two. Gitea is a community-driven, lightweight Git service that is easy to install and runs on low-resource servers. It provides a user-friendly web interface and supports repositories, issues, pull requests, and more. Forgejo is a fork of Gitea initiated to provide a more open governance model and further enhancements. It aims to enhance the features of Gitea while maintaining a focus on community involvement and extensibility. Gitea is focused on repository management. It supports Git workflows, including branching, tagging, and pull requests, has collaboration tools for issues, discussions, and project management boards. It has continuous integration and deployment integration, and webhooks and API support. Forgejo is built on similar principles to Gitea, offering repository management and collaboration tools, and it prioritizes community contributions and encourages a more democratic development process. It aims to keep features fresh and more rapidly iterating on user feedback. Gitea is optimized for performance and can run on modest hardware. It's suitable for small to medium-sized teams or organizations. Forgejo is also designed to be lightweight with similar performance characteristics as Gitea, and it may include optimizations and features borrowed from community feedback targeting different use cases. Gitea has large community with extensive documentation and support channels, including forums and chat groups, and it's actively maintained with regular updates. Forgejo is an emerging community with a growing base of contributors. Documentation is developing and user support is building momentum. Gitea is licensed under the MIT license, which is permissive and allows for commercial use. Forgejo is licensed under a similar permissive license, but emphasizes open governance, potentially allowing for a more community-centric development approach. Gitea is ideal for individuals or small teams that want a simple, lightweight Git service with all the essential features, and Forgejo, it appeals to users looking for enhanced community governance and people who may want to contribute to the ongoing development more actively. In conclusion, the choice between Gitea and Forgejo largely depends on your needs related to community governance features and the specific use case you have in mind. If you prefer a well-established solution, Gitea is a strong option. If you're looking for a collective community-driven approach, Forgejo might be the better choice. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.